Hi there, thanks for joining me. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. We are doing the weekly solar plexus chakra reading so that you can attune this energy here. Clear blockages if you need to. This is a very powerful set of cards. Just the energy itself is speaking for this chakra, because it's the power source, that we have here. So let me begin. It almost is, it feels so strong that it's beyond words, but I'm going to try to filter it through. So there is a watchful energy that you're in. You are seeing things from an elevated perspective that is not of the mundane, but of spiritual mastery, of knowing how to be in alignment with your environment. And that environment is an environment of love. It is an environment that has a source of power that empowers you, that's stronger than a human source of power. So you're not being affected. Your power is not being affected by something human. You are growing through your connection to divine love and the power of even going out in the sunlight and having that connection, or being under the stars, having the planets be able to feed you energy. This helps you tap into knowledge that may be a little bit more ancient than what others are seeking. It may be something that has you feeling like you stand alone or you stand in a different time, because this knowledge coming through is activating something deeper in your ancestry. And it's definitely about the ability to see, almost like third eye, in fact, having, but it's not just third eye. It's like it's all connected. Like you see with your eyes and with your third eye at the same time. I'm going to look at what's supporting this card. I am definitely getting that connection to something higher than yourself. There is a deep, higher, there's higher wisdom that's there for you to access, and there's a lot of it that's there, and it wants to come in clearly, and it wants to come in directly and powerfully, and it may have a specific focus with like subpoints and then other subcategories off of that, but there is a large focal point that has a lot of surrounding supportive messages with it for you to access. And it seems like, even though you're seeing clearly, that closing your eyes is what's helping you see clearly even when you open them back up. So meditation in a darker space, in a space that is hopefully even outside. I know I've said that in some of my other readings, this meditating underneath the stars, so important, and reconnecting to who you really are, reconnecting to what needs, the things that will activate you, that will keep you strong and focused and wise and enlightened, and even help you speak truth in an enlightened manner and hold your heart space as precious, and will help keep you in tune, basically. So that's what I have for you. Please join tomorrow. We will do the throat chakra. So you guys take care.